The Volt Solar Motion Sensor Stemless path light delivers wire-free, motion-activated illumination with a wide 150-degree beam. Perfect for walkways, driveways, and outdoor spaces. Its infrared sensor detects motion up to 15 feet away, activating 120 lumens of warm 2700 Kelvin light for up to 2 minutes. The solar-powered design ensures easy, flexible installation with no wiring required. It comes with surface mount hardware, a stake, and a coupler for multiple mounting options. Backed by a lifetime warranty on the fixture and a 2-year warranty on the solar panel. The Volt Solar Motion Sensor Path Light is a durable, reliable choice for outdoor lighting.